And I've truly never seen a triple black diamond sign. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna die? I was so close. Oh, I can't believe I missed that. It was like, I'm excited for a day off tomorrow. I'm a banana, I'm a banana. And just like that, we went from summer to winter. It's puking outside. It's so hard. Like you go from like 66, 67 degrees, t-shirt weather, so warm, to now I gotta wear a jacket. And the thing is, there's not 6 inches today. When 6 inches of pow, you're like, yeah. When it's just now snowing and it's not gonna collect anything, you're like, yeah. But it's Aaron's last day, and he wanted to come to A Basin. So we're at A Basin. We're probably gonna ride the park today at A Basin, which would be cool, because I haven't rode A Basin's park yet, or lapped it or whatever. It's a small park. That's the main reason why we haven't lapped it. But with the way we think the snow is gonna be, it might be on the firmer side. And I don't think it's gonna soften up today. So we'll be kind of sticking around with the park's feature stuff. So, all right, here we go. Bryce is here too. He's in that car getting ready. So we have a filmer. So Bryce did need some wax on his board, so we're gonna wax up real quick. Don't forget, if you need snowboard wax, pearlwax.com, code BUCK20. Save yourself 20% off all wax. We're not gonna do a wax montage because we did that the other day at Breck. If you missed that video, check it out. But yeah, we'll throw some wax on this. Just wanted to mention you can save 20% off some wax. Park is closed. I'm sure it opens soon. Snow feels good. Go to Montezuma Bowl, wait for the big park to open up, because our boy Aaron over here has never gone. True. He wants to check it out, and we're just expecting like a slushy bowl. The snow is really good because the weather didn't really make it soft. It kind of like rained a little bit, like a rain snow. So rain actually makes snow pretty awesome. It's just not sick to get rained on, because then you get super wet. But we didn't get rained on. Snow got super awesome, and here we go. We're going into the Montezuma Bowl. Okay, so I was kind of exploring these trees. I've never really gone over here at A Basin. And then I run into this sign. And I've truly never seen a triple black diamond sign. I've like never seen one. But it says Tories, most difficult, 3 diamond. 3 black diamond? This doesn't even look hard. I've never seen, like not even the east wall is a triple black diamond. I I don't know, maybe I'm gonna die. That's so crazy. I've never seen a sign saying triple black diamond. I made one up for a video, kind of for clickbait. Like, this ain't no triple. I mean, it's definitely rocky.
Definitely.
I didn't put the sign up. All right, let's drop this triple black diamond. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm completely smoked. My body is so tired from the last week. I haven't taken a day off in like 10 days, which is like normal for mid-season, but like springtime, I definitely get some days off and my body's like, ugh. Mainly my knee is just getting this sharp pain. It happens when I overuse it. It starts to hurt, and so I'm excited for a day off tomorrow, but we still have a sick day today. Sick run?
Yeah.
That was fun. The top was super good, that groom section. Whenever I get this tired from snowboarding though, it does remind me of one thing. Today's sticker shout out. We got Cody Klein with the chipmunk sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick. I love seeing you guys rep the chipmunk stickers. I absolutely love that sticker. I think it's one of my favorite ones, and so many of you guys have been snagging it. As well as we got Wilson Heyman with the red sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker or any of our merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the grab map that's on my snowboard, all of that stuff, guys, is linked in the description. If you do snag any of it, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram. You know I'm ripping here at A Basin. If you're following my Instagram, you can come take some laps with me, or you just know, like, you just get more fun, bonus, extra content. My stories, I post a bunch of funny stuff like that. I'm stoked that 5,000 of you guys check out my stories daily. That blows my mind. So keep checking out the stories. I'm gonna keep posting sick, awesome stories for you. And yeah, I think we're gonna move our way back to the park now.
Back to the park.
Get
now.
the park laps. You feel accomplished with your Montezuma
Absolutely.
riding. All right.
Time.
Too bad we can't go into like the bowl part of it. It's closed. But next time, just another thing to look forward to. Park's open now. Definitely need to get Roman back out here though. You guys are asking for another Roman video. It's gonna happen, don't worry. We're gonna get him out before this closes. And even after this closes, you probably can ride the Black Bear Express. Okay, so if you watched yesterday's video, we were teaching Aaron how to ollie on 50-50 some rails. If you missed the video, it's right there. But dude, today he's crushing it. Every single rail he's just hitting, no issues, just crushing it. So from yesterday to today, the progression is madness, which is what we love to see. So if you want to get better at snowboarding and get coached by me, check out my snowboard camp, which is linked in the description. We need people for week 2. So, because week 1's full. So sign up for week 2 if you want to come to snowboard camp. So excited for camp. Week 2 is June 13th through the 19th. And the first week of camp was the 6th through the 12th. I'm so stoked. We're doing 2 weeks of camp in June. It's going to be so much fun. So let's go. I was so close. I can't believe I missed that. It was like... All right, that was a good run. And the best part about it is we didn't know it was Chipmunk. So that was Chipmunk. We got a little bit of riding out. But Aaron crushed it today. Bryce, dude, as always, thanks for filming.
Anytime, my dude.
Check out his Instagram, guys. It's linked in the description. He goes by Pork Chop on the interwebs. But let's finish this strong. And it was a sick day. With the sun coming out too, it's not a bad time to leave because we dressed for the cold, gnarly morning, and now it's getting super hot. So I've always collected the pins. We've talked about the pins a lot on the channel, and I had this really sick Keystone A Basin Breckenridge pin. It's like a classic pin. This was like the first pin I got that started me collecting resort pins, because Breck A Basin and copper, you know, that was like the 3-pack on the Vail Pass and all stuff, and that just doesn't exist anymore. So that's a really cool pin to have. But I was like, yo, I'm collecting all the resort pins, and like that one doesn't really count because it's a 3-in-1, so technically it's a pin for those, but it's not like an A Basin. I didn't have like an A Basin pin, and so I went in with the gift shop and I picked up this Steep Gullies pin because we've now ridden the Steep Gullies, and it's like the most iconic thing at A Basin. So I snagged that one, which is really cool. If you guys want an evolution pin, I do have evolution pins. Those are linked in the description or right there. Snag a pin. Man, I'm physically exhausted. We went hard because we did copper closing day, went super hard, and then we just kept snowboarding. And I don't remember the last time. I think the last time I took a day off was like the moving day. So tomorrow I'm taking a day off. Maybe the next day I'm gonna take a day off. We're ahead on videos. I'm gonna take 7 days off. I know, but we got a resort review coming soon. After I do the resort, the studio tour for you guys, be ready for that. I've now finished the YouTube studio, which I'm super hyped on, and I can't wait to show you guys. That might even be posting tomorrow. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for sharing with me today. And sharing with Aaron. He's going bye-bye. We always love when Aaron comes hangs out. Check him out. He's a professional MMA fighter. He fights in the Bellator and the LFA right now, and he's about to get that UFC fight, we hope. And then you'll see my boy. And then I got like, I'm gonna go do some cool stuff with a cool person, you know? This will be the opposite. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for sharing with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
Oh!